The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video: Which method is most suitable for decimal addition? In the examples described in the decimal section so far, we have dealt with a number of options in doing decimal addition. Let us discuss the merits of each option so that the learner can come to a decision on which is most viable. In the case of decimal parts of the numbers having less than 3 digits, there is no problem at all in setting the number, similar to what we do in the normal addition, because the columns earmarked for decimal part to the right of the first separating dot are 3. In the case of decimal part having more than 3 digits, we can always shift the number to the second dot on the separating bar. The one disadvantage of shifting the numbers to the second separating bar is that we may not have sufficient space to set the second number in the abacus. Another option is to treat the whole number and the decimal part separately, carry out additions as separate exercises, and finally add the two values to get the final value of the addition of two decimal numbers. This requires the process of adapting an additional procedure of either noting down the values separately on a paper or on a magnetic board using embossed braille numbers. Though splitting the additions dealing with the small numbers is convenient, the additional procedure of noting down at every stage may not be liked by some learners. Using two abacuses simultaneously is a good option, as we can always use one abacus for noting down the values and another for doing calculations. However, existing abacus just comes with a single piece, and we have to connect the two abacuses to use them simultaneously, which may not be feasible. The next option, which we used in a number of exercises so far, is to restrict the number of digits of the decimal part into 3 by making adjustments in the decimal digits and carry out the additional process using a single abacus. Though every method has its own merits and limitations, when we look into the practicality, using one abacus and making adjustments in the number of digits in the decimal portion may be a workable option. It all depends on the specific problem, and let us demonstrate these methods interchangeably in the exercises going forward. The bottom line is that the option of the decimal operation process should be entirely left to the learner, who may have specific reasons for adapting a particular method.